warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Halo.
My name is Indonesia Rahayu. Today I would like to explain about cough and sneeze etiquette based on World Health Organization guidelines. This poster shows 5 simple steps that can help prevent the spread of germs and respiratory infection. By practicing, we can protect ourselves, our families, and our community. Now, I will explain the 5 steps cough and sneeze etiquette. Step 1. Cover your mouth and nose. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. This step can help stop respiratory droplets from spreading to other people. Step 2. Use your elbow. If you don't have tissue, cough or sneeze into your upper sleeve or elbow. Do not use your hand because they can spreading of germs to surfaces and other people. Step 3. Dispose of the tissue. Throw the tissue in the trash right away after us. This step keep the environment clean and healthy. Step 4. Wash your hand thoroughly. Wash your hand with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Clean hands help stop germs from spreading. Step 5. Wear a face mask if you are sick. Wear a face mask to protect others if you have cough, or other respiratory symptoms. A face mask, we can protect ourselves and other people. The conclusion, cough and sneeze etiquette is a simple and effective way to prevent the spread of germs and respiratory infection. By following this step, we can protect ourselves, our families, and our community. Thank you for attention. Do you have any question?
I have any question.
Yes, Desma.
Yes. What the tools and material needed?
The tools and material needed are 1. Clean tissue.
Yes.
2. Dustbin. 3. Soap.
Result.
4. Clean water.
Okay.
And 5. Face mask.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is the benefit of cough etiquette. Okay, Livia. The benefit of cough and sneeze etiquette are 1. Preventing the spread of germs. 2. Protecting to ourselves and other people. 3. Keeping the environment clean and healthy. 4. Reducing the
to benefit of
I
of sneezing.
tutorial and
The benefit of